Are you visiting Harlech over the summer, but worried about where to park? The Mina Don car park in Lower Harlech by the beach is really convenient and has plenty of spaces. Look out for the road signs directing you to it as you arrive into the town. After parking, remember to pay and display. Did you know that 10% of the car park's profits go to the community? To help keep traffic levels down in the upper town, the Harlech Hoppa bus is available to take you from the car park by the beach up to the High Street and Castle. The service will begin at 10 AM every morning and will run every half an hour until 5:30 PM, from the 21st of July until the 2nd of September. And it's only a 5-minute journey. The bus costs £1 for adults and 50p for children aged between 5 and 15. If you are a Welsh concessionary pass holder or under 5 years old, it's free. To thank you for using the bus and helping to keep traffic levels down, many local businesses have come together to offer discounts. Whether it's on an ice cream, visiting an attraction, or on gifts for family and friends. As well as this, Harlech Castle are offering to take the price of the bus off your entry price into the castle, or it's possible to buy a reduced family ticket for £17. So make sure you keep your bus ticket safe. To learn about the bus's effect on the community, we would be extremely grateful if you could complete a short survey about your visit to Harlech. As a thank you, you'll be entered into a prize draw with a chance of winning £100 worth of shopping vouchers. The Harlech Hoppa service is convenient for everyone. No parking troubles, no need to walk up any steep hills, and it guarantees a pleasant visiting experience for all. We look forward to welcoming you to our special town.